Yo, I'm back. Okay, so the thing is, I went outside to get my laundry done. Then I I came inside. I ate my whoa pause. Yo, no. Yeah, so I entered my house and I ate my breakfast. Yes, at this time. And then I got distracted for 30 minutes. Anyways, I can't change the past. Let's move forward and get more shit done. How do I hide this? Okay, stuff I can improve to make my cold work desktop app look and feel better. I know I have the best handwriting. Okay, first, let's see the desktop app. What's bad in this? Let me think. One. Okay, I have to make the buttons consistent. Okay, I definitely spelled that wrong. Then what else? This looks very basic as well. To better. Better looking quotes. Okay, then let's move to the block list. Custom themes as well for custom themes 5 and a better looking stats maybe. I think this looks pretty good. Better looking card. The spacing here is messed up. Spacing. Like spacing in the custom route. I think I should remove. Oh shit. I think I should remove this card and just. Yes. Remove the bypass rules card in strict mode. Okay, let's go to the block list. Again, I don't like this spacing. It's spacing. Like, look, why is it so far away? Uh, block list. Block. Block list. Let's get started now. It's mostly, honestly, I was focusing on the logic rather than the styling. So let's get started. Status. Yeah, 24 is pretty good. Okay, codecs in the my alarm. Okay, Codex, in the cold-work desktop Electron app, I want the buttons to remain consistent. Also, what I mean by this is some buttons are different colors, some buttons are differently styled. Like when I start the remote control session from my phone, the button is white. Then some buttons are green. Like like the buttons are really inconsistent. So please make the buttons consistent, particularly in the home page in the codework desktop Electron app. Okay, please make these buttons also look very simple and more modern. But I want a very simple look, no border radius. Hey Codex, so in the codework desktop Electron app, first the cards are looking very basic. In the home page, you can see that there are three cards today, this week, and one two block. These look way too basic, and so does the quote under it. Please make these cards look very nicely styled across all pages in the Codework desktop app and make them look very sexy and modern, but they should still remain very simple. Hey Codex, so the quote in the Codework desktop Electron app, so the quotes are looking very basic, right? Everything is congested. So please make the quotes look better. And so I want this thing. Yeah, so look at this image I just sent you. When I click on this image, a new quote should pop up instead of a new quote popping up whenever I refresh. Okay, so when I click on this image, I want a new quote to pop up. Yes, please make these changes in the CodeWeb Desktop Electron app. Custom themes. Yeah, this is important. A codec. So, if you know in the Codework app, there are many custom themes. But in the desktop Codework Electron app, there are no custom themes. In the free tier, I just want dark, light, and one custom theme. But in the pro and lifetime tier, I want 10 different themes like there are in the Codework app. Please make these changes and make the themes look very good and sexy and very modern, kind of like in those very successful applications. A codec. So in the custom route, the spacing is very weird. Like, why is there so much distance between everything? Please make the spacing look very good in the Coldwork Electron desktop app. Okay, now what else? Hmm. Now let's go back to the phone. What can I improve in the phone? Okay, 8. Okay. Let me see the app real quick. Oh yeah, the thing is, it says stuff like deep work, pros and noise. Wait. Wait, hold up. A codex in the codework electron desktop app. I want you to use words like cold, frozen, like when the apps are frozen, and yes, uh, do this. And also in the big circle. So listen, what I want you to do is I want you to remove these cards entirely, as you can see in the image, and instead in inside this start now button, I want you to add some stuff like I want you to add some text saying 4 targets frozen. Okay, like how many, basically just say how many apps are blocked and how many websites are blocked, then say targets. So you will say something like X amount of targets frozen, X targets frozen. Yeah, please make these changes. Let's see. Yeah, this is like before versus before. Am I lagging? Add codex. Okay. Hey codex, in the strict mode in the codework desktop electron app, there is a card saying bypass rules. I want you to remove that card, but look at the information inside that card and add it inside the focus lock card instead. Okay, make sure everything looks very sexy and the spacing and paddings and the layout isn't destroyed. Okay, futures. Let's think of futures now. One, one more draw. Oh wait, no. 10, two, for the free tier, add propose to pro. Wait. Oops. Okay, move this. Move this. Move this. Move this. Better statistics. Oh, okay, now let's go to one. The hell is this? Delete. I forgot what I was thinking about. Wait. So, hmm, this on the Play Store. Then what? Teams. What is this? This looks ass. Ew. Okay. So let's say I have this, right? Um, free tier to pro, yes. Okay, let's log in the free tier right now. Let's just go back. Password. Okay, go to block list and search. Reminders, no? Hey Codex, you know how in the cold work app I have, like, if I'm in the free tier, I have a pro tier page, right? So I want this for the cold work desktop electron app as well. Let's say a user is in the free tier. I want to try to bring him to the pro tier, so I will do this by making an upgrade route. Okay, so make an upgrade route in the sidebar, just above settings. Okay, slightly above settings. Then I will write all the benefits of the pro tier, and you can copy this from the coldwork app. You know how I made a separate pro tier benefits page there. So yeah, you can just copy those details and please make this page. Uh, Ugh.